Look at me. Look right into my eyes. If you are retired or if you are standing right on the doorstep of your retirement years, I need you to listen to me right now. Because today, we are talking about a question that has been landing in my inbox more and more lately. Susie, what is this Credit Genie app, and should I sign up for it to help manage my money? I get it. You are living on a fixed income, or you are preparing to. Social Security check cycles don't always align with when your electric bill or your car insurance is due. The price of groceries is higher than ever, and sometimes you just need a little bridge to get you from point A to point B without draining your emergency savings. Then, you see an advertisement on your phone or on your computer for an app called Credit Genie. It promises to give you a cash advance, a cash boost, they call it, of up to $150 with no credit check, no interest, and no late fees. It sounds like a financial miracle, doesn't it? A genie appearing out of nowhere to grant your wish for a little extra breathing room. But I want you to stop. I want you to take a deep, deep breath, and I want you to think. Because in the financial world, there is no such thing as a free lunch, and there is certainly no such thing as a magical genie that hands out money out of the goodness of its heart. Let's break down exactly what happens when you go through a Credit Genie sign-up, and why this specific financial tool might be a wolf in sheep's clothing for your retirement security. First, let's look at the problem. The problem isn't that you are a bad money manager. The problem is cash flow timing. When you were working, you had a regular paycheck. Now, you might be waiting on a pension, an IRA distribution, or a Social Security check that only lands once a month. When an unexpected expense pops up in week 3, fear sets in. Fear of an overdraft fee from your bank. Fear of a utility being shut off. Fear of having to put groceries on a high-interest credit card. That fear is real, and it is paralyzing. So you open up your phone, you download Credit Genie, and you start the sign-up guide. What does the app ask you to do first? It asks you to link your primary checking account. It uses a third-party service to log directly into your bank. Now, right here, I want you to feel the weight of what you are doing. You are giving an app total visibility into your financial life, your income, your spending habits, your recurring bills, and your balances. Why do they do this? Because they don't run a traditional credit check. Your bank account history is your credit check. They want to see that money is regularly deposited, so they know they can get their money back. Once you are linked, you see the screen that says you are approved for a cash advance. But here is the first reality check. If you are a first-time user, you are not getting $150. The average first-time advance is closer to $50 or $60. Now, let's ask the critical question. How does this app make money if they claim there is no interest and no late fees? This is where the financial smoke and mirrors come into play, and this is what drives me absolutely crazy. Credit Genie operates on a subscription and fee model. To get the app's full suite of budgeting tools and alerts, there is a monthly membership fee. But even worse, if you want that $50 advance delivered to your bank account instantly because you're in a pinch right now, they charge you an instant delivery fee. Think about the math here. If you borrow $50 and you pay a $5 fee to get it instantly, that is 10% of the principal just to move the money. And you usually have to pay that money back within a matter of days or weeks when your next deposit hits. If you calculate the annual percentage rate on a $5 fee for a $50 loan lasted 2 weeks, you are looking at an APR well into the triple digits. That is not a financial solution. That is an incredibly expensive habit. Furthermore, look at how the repayment works. The app is designed to automatically withdraw the borrowed amount from your bank account the second your next deposit hits. If the timing is off by even 1 day, or if you don't have enough funds, you risk triggering an overdraft fee from your actual bank, the exact thing you were trying to avoid in the first place. Users have complained that you cannot easily make manual payments inside the app ahead of time. You are at the mercy of their automated system. If you are retired, your financial goal must be peace of mind, stability, and absolute control over every single penny. When you sign up for cash advance apps, you are doing the exact opposite. You are giving up control. You are allowing an automated system to dip into your checking account. You are signing up for micro fees that chip away at your fixed income. So, what is your actionable takeaway? If you are tempted to sign up for Credit Genie, I want you to close the app. Do not link your bank account. Do not invite that volatility into your retirement. Instead, I want you to take control with 3 clean steps. Step number 1. Build a true cash cushion. If you find yourself short by $50 or $100 at the end of the month, your budget is too tight or your timing is off. Look at your fixed expenses. Can you call your utility company or your insurance provider and ask them to change your payment due date so it aligns perfectly with the day your Social Security check drops? Most companies will do this for you for free if you just ask. Step number 2. Look at local community resources. If you hit a real emergency and cannot afford food or utility payments, look into local nonprofit senior assistance programs, local food pantries, or the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program. These are resources designed to help you without trapping you in a cycle of digital cash advances. Step number 3. If you absolutely must borrow small amounts, look into a low-interest credit card dedicated solely to emergencies, or see if your local credit union offers a small, consumer-friendly short-term loan. Credit unions are member-owned and often have specific programs to help seniors manage cash flow safely, with real human beings you can look in the eye. Your money in retirement needs to be safe, it needs to be secure, and it needs to be entirely under your command. Do not hand over the keys to your kingdom to a smartphone app for a quick $50. Stand in your truth, stand in your power, and protect your hard-earned retirement dollars.